Alright guys, Tyler from Tab Master here again. Just showing you how the cabinet door activators work. So these are found in our 1720 model as well as some of our other combination activators. They're by far our simplest activator. They just get installed in behind a cabinet door and you use the entire cabinet door as an activator. Here we've got it set up with the same button. The same button can activate from either cabinet door. So if we open up the doors here, we can kind of take a quick look and see how that works. So as you can see in here, we've got the button mounted to the bottom of the countertop, and when the door is closed, each door covers that button about halfway, so this is mounted right in the midpoint there, and it just allows the door to press right up against it. Like I said, that button only moves about 20 thousandths of an inch, so when they're both closed, it's nice and flush. You can't tell that there's anything back there. It's a nice clean install. If you didn't know what to look for, you'd never even know it was there. Again, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to us. We always like getting our name out there because we think we make a very good, very nice product. Thank you so much.